Hi everyone, Thelma here. My channel is Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you all a rather large Dollar Tree fall haul with a little bit of makeup and miscellaneous. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with the makeup and miscellaneous first. First, I have this makeup. It is highlighter. I still can't see good enough to read off this. That's why I'm just showing it to you. And I'll be like it until at least October when I see this eye surgeon. Let me get that out of there. This is what it looks like. And let me open it. Well, okay, there it is. It's real easy. I just had to find it, and it was hard to do. This is what it looks like with the lid open, and it's real soft and silky, kind of like butter. Put a little bit more on there. That's it right there, the highlighter. Real gorgeous. You can't beat that for $1.25. And then I got this makeup blender. It's already open because this makes the third time I've tried this video. First it was I had a light on back behind us that was too bright. Then I coughed and decided I didn't like it. It's different than, I chew cough and a real good cough. And this is it out of the little protector. Looks like an egg, and mine is yellow. I'm going to put it back in here. So, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing good. I'm feeling a little better today. My husband, considering the circumstances, he's doing okay. I want to thank everybody for all their kind words and comments and all the prayers. Okay, now this one is this. And it is eyebrows, I do believe, or it might be the little makeup palette. Let me see here. Oh, yes. This is the little makeup. Look at that little mini makeup palette. And then it comes out. And there they are. And it shuts. And then you just slide it back in. Or I'm going to, since I'm putting it up and don't want it to get messed up. And then I'm just going to put it right back in the little box. How's y'all's summer been going? Have you had a nice summer? Even if it's staying at home or going on vacation, anything. I hope everybody's had a real good summer break. And here's body butter. It's lavender, and I already took the aluminum seal off the top, but that's what it looks like. And make sure you hold it you hold it. Make sure you set it before you go to open and take that seal off. It's like aluminum foil. That way it'll settle down and won't be up if you have it upside down or anything. And I picked up 3 of these lighters. They're good if you can't find your lighters you use to light your candles and stuff. You know, the big one for the grill and everything. 3 for $1.25 really is a lot better. I went to the gas station behind where I live now, and they wanted for a lighter similar like these. It went up. Normally they're 79 to 99 cents. They used to be $2.79 or 3 for $1.25. I think I got the better deal. And a shower curtain. Okay, let me find my bag here. I'm going to put these in the bag to get them out of the way. All but the lavender body butter. I don't want it to, you know, be upside down with all in the lid. Okay, and I picked up 2 of these glue sticks. You get 20 of them. And I wasn't, make sure you pay attention, because just because it's in the same box, sometimes they might get messed up like they did here. But they have a lot of white in them, and I've gotten these before around Christmas time, and they blend in good with anything you're using to glue together, and it might be blue or whatever. And I got some of these tumbling towers. This game, it's not only a good game, as you can see, but I use it to glue together and paint, to make like a wall sign or something that I make in DIYs stand up, and they work out real good. And I picked out 2 of these wooden, they're just display, they stand, and I can't see to read it, but right there is as close as I can get it. My husband read it off to me, but I just can't remember what it said. And then, I don't know. I think it says fall is in the air is what, yeah, this is the one he said this one was. I can see fall and air. And look how thick that wood is. And it's real big. Look how big my hand is. Real nice. Now, let me move this out of the way. And I picked up 4 of these fabrics. Let's see. I'm going to use these on some junk journaling that I'm going to do. Anyway, pumpkins and sunflowers. I picked up 1 of each. I think they're real nice. And we all know I love my stickers, and I love owls. Look at this one, full of sticker palette, full of owls. And then I picked up 4 of these with the gnomes. And this one with the pumpkins, and yeah, different kinds of pumpkins. And another one. And here's another one. It's different. You got animals, and then there's this one. and then the other two gnomes. I only have a few more items. Oops. I'm just going to take them out like this. I picked up 3 of these gnome pigs. Look how darling those are. Aren't those so cute? It's like an orange. And then you have a red. And then you have yellow. I bought 2 tin buckets. There's this one with a bunch of, looks like leaves going around, and the sand is on front and back. And then I picked out this one. And this 4-pack of large white pumpkin picks. And a 5-pack of orange pumpkin picks. And they're smaller, as you can see. These would be great to use in flower arrangements, garland, wreaths, you name it. You could use them in almost anything. And the last out of this bag, I picked up 3 of these, like these right here, little ornament gnomes. Then there's this one. I just think they're so cute. I love gnomes. How many out there still are into the gnomes? It doesn't matter to me when they go out. I'm still going to be in them. And this is the last of the gnomes. There's that one. And there's that one. Put these down here, out of the way. And the last is just a few wall signs. They had these last year too, but mine got bent and some of them got wet and rusted from the flood. Happy fall, y'all. There's that one. Then this one is grateful. And then this one is, I can't make that one out. There's that one. Sorry about that. I just can't make that one out. And then these 2 cardboard trucks. Let's see here. There's a leaf right here on this one. Real nice. And the last item is this. Well, if it comes out, find the hoe. See how this one came out? Find the hoe. It's easy to do. I just did it with my fingers. I've learned to do a lot of stuff just by feel. And then this is the last one. Well, I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my channel. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and select all. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And if you don't know about the giveaway contest that I have going on, go ahead and read the description, and also go to my videos and find the video that I have. It's about a 12-15 minute video, and it shows the rules and everything that is in the box that the winner will get once I reach my quota. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.